Hold on to your seats, folks. The very first live snapshots of the highly anticipated Galaxy S05 have just burst onto the digital scene. Brace yourselves, because this affordable Samsung sensation is about to rock your world, presumably dropping a year after its predecessor, the Galaxy S04. And guess what? It's already making waves on the global stage as it was spotted getting cozy with the National Telecommunications Agency, also known as Anatel in Brazil. The stage is set, and the curtains have risen with not one, but two thrilling photos of the Galaxy S05 making their grand entrance, courtesy of Anatel and Technoblog. These sneak peeks offer a tantalizing glimpse of both the phone's front and back panels. Hold your breath, because the device flaunts a sleek, flat design with a frame that's as flat as a pancake, perfectly in tune with this year's Galaxy phone lineup. But wait, there's more. Feast your eyes on this glossy black beauty, adorned with an eye-catching stripe pattern on its back panel. It's a visual treat, featuring not one but two rear-facing cameras elegantly nestled within their own circular cutouts, plus a dazzling LED flash. Oh, and don't miss the thick chin at the bottom, adding a touch of charm to this smartphone spectacle. Now here's the twist you didn't see coming. While you might have initially thought the Galaxy S05 boasts an Infinity O cutout for the selfie camera, a closer look reveals something extraordinary. The sensor seems to cozy up too close to the bezel, hinting at a more dramatic entrance, perhaps an Infinity U or Infinity V notch. The suspense is killing us. But what's under the hood of this budget-friendly superstar, you ask? Well, hold on to your hats, because the specs are nothing short of thrilling. It packs a MediaTek Helio G85 chip that promises a performance boost over its predecessor, the Helio P35. While it may not be breaking the sound barrier, it's set to make waves in the low-cost market. And guess what? 4 GB of RAM to keep things running smooth and steady. But here's the kicker. No 5G connectivity on this one. At least we haven't spotted 5G variant yet. The FCC recently unveiled the 4G variant's model number, SMA055F. And that's not all. We've got a hopping 5,000 mAh battery in the mix, confirmed by the FCC, plus Bluetooth 5.3 to keep you connected seamlessly, and it's rocking Android 13, the latest and greatest from the Android universe. Now, I know you're on the edge of your seat, and you're probably wondering when this showstopper will hit the stage. Well, we don't have an official release date just yet, but with all these international regulatory appearances, it's safe to say that Samsung is gearing up for something big. To jog your memory, the Galaxy S04 was announced in August and took the world by storm in October 2022. So stay tuned, because the Galaxy S05 is about to steal the spotlight. Peace out.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence.